tell you about animal advocates.
Oh, hi, I'm back with my buddy Yeller. She has a very important question for you, though.
What's Animal Advocates?
Animal Advocates of Howard County helps lost animals find home.
Animal Advocates takes care of stray cats, dogs, rabbits, ferrets, guinea pigs, gerbils, hamsters, and occasionally reptiles.
Thanks for telling me all about Animal Advocates.
For more info, call 410-880-2488
Or go to www.animaladvocates.org.
Don't leave yet, we have a song.
Go.
Dogs, cats, not bats, animal advocates. R-E-S-P-E-C-T, respect is just what they need.